Hello, my name is Fernando, and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab. Today, I'll go over the security review flow. This agentic flow detects business logic vulnerabilities in merge requests. Unlike static analysis tools that scan for known patterns, the security review flow reasons about the intent of your code. It identifies vulnerabilities that emerge from incorrect assumptions about authorization, data exposure, and control flow. Let's see it in action. To enable the security review flow, from the top-level group, go to Settings and GitLab Duo. From here, we can go to the Change Configuration section. Then scroll down to the Flows section and enable the security review flow. Then make sure to scroll down and press the Save Changes button to confirm this configuration change. Here we have an intentionally vulnerable merge request containing many different types of vulnerabilities. If I go to the Overview section and then select Edit under Reviewers, I can add the dual security reviewer just like you'd add a human reviewer. The agent then analyzes the diff and its surrounding context in order to perform an in-depth security review. Now let's wait for this flow to complete. For each finding, a threaded comment is opened right on the relevant line. These findings are rich. You get the vulnerability type as a CWE with a link to the MITRE definition, a severity rating, a tier class, a plain language explanation of the flaw, and where possible, a suggested fix you can apply in one click. Directly within the thread, you can mention the GitLab Duo security reviewer and ask a clarifying question, discuss remediation, or flag a false positive, and it reads the context and kicks off a new flow, which then provides a reply. Here I am asking, how do I store secrets as environment variables within GitLab? When the flow completes, we get an in-depth step-by-step reply showing us exactly how GitLab CI/CD variables work. At the end of the reviewer comments, you can see a security review summary that goes over each of the vulnerabilities found along with remediation priority. It also sets the reviewer state by severity, and more importantly, it never sets approve even when it finds nothing, meaning a human owns the last call. You can also go to the Changes tab to see all the comments provided by the Duo Security Reviewer inline. When you've made fixes, reassign the Duo Security Reviewer to do a focused re-review. So, if static analysis is your safety net for known bad code, the security review flow is the reviewer that asks, wait, should this user even be able to do that? Right in the merge request before it ships. See the links in the description for more information and be sure to subscribe for more GitLab videos. Thank you.